left with no goodbye, not a single word was said. No final kiss to seal anything. I had no idea of the state we were in. I know I have a fickle heart and a bitterness, and wondering I am happiness in my head. Don't you remember? Don't you remember the reason you love me before? Baby, please remember me.